A salary is usually referred to as an annual payment or an annual worth of payments that we receive from our employees for the work that we have done. Now, depending on the type of employer you have or the type of job you have, you may receive payments in different amount of periods. So let's go through a quick definition, guys. A salary is usually calculated on an annual basis and can be paid on weekly, fortnightly, or even monthly installments. Now you got to remember how many weeks, fortnights, and months there are in a year. So in a week, there's 52 weeks per year, and fortnights, 26 fortnights per year, and for months there are 12 months per year. So if you can remember these three, we can always do any kind of questions required to us to find the annual salary. So let's start with question 1, guys. Eva is paid a salary. Now she receives $530 per week. Now it's asking us to calculate Eva's annual salary. So they tell us how much she earns per week, but we want to know how much she gets per year so we can find the annual salary. So first of all, guys, you got to remember that in 1 year there are 52 weeks. So if Eva receives $530 per week, to get the annual salary, we'll simply multiply the weekly salary by 52. Calculate that simply. You can use your calculator and you should get something like this. So Eva's annual salary is $27,560. So let's move on to question 2 now. Tori receives $2,140 per fortnight. Calculate Tori's annual salary. So this time we are given Tori's fortnightly pay. So how many fortnights are there in a year? We know there are 26 fortnights in 1 year. So if we're given Tori's fortnightly pay, to calculate how much he receives in 1 year, the annual salary, would multiply that fortnightly pay by 26. And simply calculate that for me, guys, and you should get something like this. So Tori receives an annual salary of $55,640. Alright, we'll do another one. Question 3. Daniel is paid $5,100 monthly. Now we want to calculate Daniel's annual salary again. So this time Daniel receives payments monthly, and it's $5,100 per month. So first of all, guys, tell me how many months are there in a year? You should know there are 12 months in 1 year. So to calculate Daniel's annual salary, we have to multiply the monthly income, payment by 12. So if you multiply this, you can use your calculator, you should get a value like this. So Daniel receives $61,200 per year. That's his annual salary.